So this is our Pi robot. You can see we have proximity sensor in the front and also a Pi cam. It is powered by a battery pack, and this is Raspberry Pi 3, and then we have two wheels, and if you see on the back side you have motors, okay, one line follower sensor and so on. Now we are controlling this robot using ROS. We're using ROS Noetic. As you can see on my screen, so this is a remote machine that consists of a Pi 400 system. Okay, this is a Pi 400 keyboard, so there is a Raspberry Pi inside this keyboard. So we are using this as a terminal system to control the Pi robot. So essentially you need two Pi. This other one could be any Linux desktop system. Otherwise you can have two Pis. So we have one Pi and one Linux machine. So in my case, Pi 400 is my remote machine, and as you can see on the screen, on the first tab, ROS score is running. This is the main node for master node, you can say, for ROS. And on the second terminal I have this keyboard terminal, you know, that is waiting for me to press a key. So this will show the status of the key. Yeah, all right. And then in the next terminal I have this image subscriber running, and it is showing me some image over here. So the video will be slower because the frame rate is, the bandwidth is not high because we are sending images, so it is going to be slower. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to put it on the floor. We are now trying to control this Pi robot using keyboard. As you can see on my other terminal, I have a camera feed that is coming from the Pi cam, and then I have this keyboard control that I can control. For example, I can press the arrow key up, down, left, right to move the robot. And as we move along, you can see that my view is changing. Okay, so I'm getting the view from my Pi cam. So this is my Pi cam. Like that I can control using my arrow key. Okay, this is a, and as the robot is moving, I can now remotely control this robot. Okay, as you can see, as I'm moving the robot, I'm getting different views. Okay, that's it for the time being.